Stop by and take a look at the 2025 Outback. Take the go-anywhere capability of all-wheel drive and plenty of room for cargo and companions, and you've got the Subaru Outback. Let the adventure begin. This vehicle has less than 100 miles. Here are some of this vehicle's great options: rear spoiler, turbocharged, all-wheel drive, heated mirrors, aluminum wheels, power lift gate, daytime running lights, integrated turn signal mirrors, LED headlights, tires, front all season. Rediscover the joy of driving and turn everyday commutes into memorable journeys.